Let's imagine now what it would be like then to spend a day as a life coach. So let's take a deep breath here. And imagine it's 6 months from today. You woke up feeling rested and excited about the work you're doing that day. After a nourishing morning routine, you sit down at your computer, you look at your calendar, and your heart is filled with joy seeing the clients you'll get to connect with today. You hop on your first one-on-one coaching call. First, your client shares about the progress they've made since your last call. Imagine your client tells you, "I got the new job." Maybe the client says to you, "I finished my book." Or, "My wife and I actually got back together." Or, "I no longer need high blood pressure medicine." And then your client shares with you the next thing they want to work on, and you coach them. You know exactly what to say. You know exactly what to do. You walk them through a proven system using a proven coaching method, quickly and easily guiding them to overcome their fears, their limiting ideas, and achieve breakthroughs where perhaps they've been stuck for years. And at the end, they say to you, "Thank you so much. I'm so grateful you're my coach. I'm loving my life more and more as we work together. I'll see you next week." The call ends. You close your computer. So now notice, how are you feeling? If this is your life, how are you feeling? And as you imagine spending your days like this, changing lives as a life coach, are you feeling an expansive energy in your body, in your soul? Does it feel like your spirit is saying yes to living this kind of life? And if it does, notice that. This is a sign from your soul that your spiritual design is to be a life coach. I've found that when someone is feeling clear that life coaching is their spiritual design, the most common question that comes up next is, well, how do I actually make this work? Is this even a viable career for me? Well, here's the good news. In the next video, we're going to show you why right now is the best time ever in history to step into your spiritual design as a life coach, and how you can earn a living even if you're a busy parent already working a full-time job, or you've never run your own business, or you're a highly successful professional and feel you don't have any extra time to dedicate to starting a new career. Know this: we've helped thousands of coaches claim their spiritual design as a life coach and grow a highly successful coaching business.